Welcome to Storytime with Sonia Panda. I will read to you many stories, so please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Let's get started.
Peppa Pig, beep beep broom. Peppa and her family are going for a picnic in the countryside. Hooray! Cries Peppa. I love picnics. George loves picnics too, but he wants to stay at home and play with his toys. Cheer up, George. We will have a lovely day, says Daddy Pig, beeping his horn. Beep, beep, giggles George. He likes their noisy red car. Off they drive down the hill. But what is that noise? Crunch, crunch. It's Mr. Bull's digger. Moo! You will have to wait, bellows Mr. Bull. We are digging up the road. Not another delay, cries Mommy Pig. Crunch, crunch, laughs George. At last, Mr. Bull has finished, and off they go. But what is that noise? Nina, it's a fire engine. You will have to wait while I put out this fire, shouts Mrs. Sheep. Nina, cries George, bouncing up and down on the back seat. At last the fire is put out and off they go. But what is that noise? Choo choo! It's a train. Daddy Pig has to stop while the train whizzes past. Choo choo! Laughs George. Can we go home for our picnic? Asks Peppa. What a good idea, says Mommy Pig. But George does not want to go home. He loved seeing all the noisy vehicles. Cheer up, George, says Peppa. You will be able to play with all your noisy toys. And he does. Beep, beep. Nina. Choo, choo. Honk, honk. Crunch, crunch.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the story. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Storytime with Sonia Panda to listen to more stories with me. Take care, friends.